Meet the UTV Hercules, all-in-one digger derrick and aerial booms built for power and efficiency. Offered in configurations for signposts and power line work, Hercules booms offer DOTs and service crews the flexibility they need without compromise. With a powerful lift capacity, 40-foot sheave height, and 46-foot aerial reach, it handles pole setting, overhead access, and material handling with confidence. Available insulated to Category C, 46,000 volts, or non-insulated, and featuring an optional patented fold-out bucket that deploys in under a minute, the Hercules adapts to the job fast. Operators benefit from dual-axis, full-pressure hydraulic controls at the bucket, delivering smooth, precise movement where it matters most. Compact and road-ready, the UTV Hercules is trusted by crews who need power, safety, and efficiency, all in one boot.